Hi, I just want to give you a rundown of the Bible tab in Arcane Scribe. This is where you're going to do all of your world building. You're going to have all of your characters, your places, your lore, magic items, everything about your world building you're going to want to keep in the Bible tab. There's a few reasons for this. First of all, it's just nice to have everything organized for your own sanity. Secondly, you'll notice that they have these gold names here. These are names of story Bible entries the Arcane Scribe has recognized from your Bible list. And it's automatically put little hyperlinks on them. So you can click on these and you can view that Bible link in the context pane. This way you don't have to have the Bible tab open to view and edit your Bible characters when you're writing your story. You can just click on them, and maybe you've forgotten what Valasport is, what's going on there. You can click on it and you can read about that place. It also helps you get an idea of what the character looks like. You've got an at-a-glance picture there. There's a third reason for this. The AI will automatically pull in any characters that it recognizes from your story Bible. It will pull that into the context window automatically, so you don't have to worry about copying and pasting and making mistakes there. There was a news article I read just the other day of some famous author was copying and pasting from ChatGPT or whatever AI she preferred to use, and apparently she copied and pasted some of the chat responses into her published novel. She apparently didn't even bother to edit it. And this caused a real big embarrassment for her. So that's another reason why this is helpful, is it prevents you from that kind of embarrassment. The AI will automatically handle the copying and pasting for you. You're not going to have any kind of leftovers like that in your novel. But it also allows you to save a lot of time and effort. You will save countless hours of copying and pasting. If you want to add a new entry, it's very easy. Just come over here to the combo box and select the category that you want. And if you want, you can even add your own. Just type in the name and then hit add. I'm going to go ahead and click a person, and I'll give them a name. I'm just going to call him Bob Hackett. You'll notice that there's a button here that you can click for the picture. So you can have a reference image, like I was showing you over here with Thalon. I don't have a character image right now, so let's just go ahead and click this. You'll see my wife with a bird in her hair. Okay, so this is my character image. You've also got two tabs here you can populate. The first one, the info tab, this is where you put your main character information. All the information you want to share with the AI about your character, you want to keep here. This is all the basic information. And I've just created a basic template here. You can change this template. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. There's also an autofill button. You can fill in as much of this as you want and then hit autofill, and the AI will automatically fill in anything you didn't fill in. This is especially good for like lit RPG authors who maybe want to fill in the strength, dexterity, intellect, stuff like that, and they just want a random assortment. Now it'll use whatever model you've got over here. So maybe you've got the GPT-41 Mini. There's a nice model for this, nice and cheap, and you can see the pricing here. It's only $1.60 per million tokens. That's not going to run your wallet dry. You can also specify as many aliases as you want. And these are specified in a common delimited list. And the reason you want to have aliases is like this is the full name for the character. And if I wanted Arcane Scribe to recognize that entry, I would have to type Bob Hackett. And that's not how you write in your novel. So I would probably want to have Bob as an alias. That way, if Arcane Scribe sees either Bob or Bob Hackett, it's going to recognize that Bible entry. You'll also notice that there's an always include checkbox. This allows you to tell the AI that you want this entry to always be included in every context whenever you're chatting with it at all. I would be very sparing with this. I would not probably use it for characters. This is something you'd probably use for more of basic world building, that like your magic system, something you always want to be available so it knows how to write about your world. So once you've got your character written, you're going to go ahead and hit OK. And now if I type Bob somewhere, you'll notice that it recognizes it and automatically highlights it for you. And if I click on it, well, I already got it highlighted, but if I click on it, you'll see it pulls up the information here, and I can edit this however I want. Now, I told you that you can change the template if you don't like that. Over here to Edit, Preferences, and go to Character Sheet Templates. You've got one for person, place, item, lore, and you can fill these in however you want. The way I created all this nice fonts and everything was just right here in the scene editor. I just set the fonts however I wanted, organized everything however I wanted, copied it and pasted it into the preferences, and there is my template. You can do the same for yours. All right, I hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching.